Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use miles on Lufthansa. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Miles and More account. If you have your Lufthansa Miles and More account, go ahead and launch it. So after creating an account on Lufthansa, you do not need to create another account on Miles and More because an account is going to be automatically created for you. So just launch in a browser of your choice and use this URL in here, miles-and-more.com/role/en/member.html. So once you're done clicking on typing that and you get into the website that has already been created for you, head over to the top corner in here where you have Earn, Spend, Program, and Magazine. So go ahead and click on Spend. Of course, we want to learn how we can spend and use our mouse Lufthansa. So over here you have the award overview, you have flights, you have hotels, you have rental cars, gift cards, workshop, donate miles, events, or the awards, and all awards. So you want to use it for flights, go ahead and click on flight, set it to the flight tab, and it's going to take you to this window where you can now spend miles for flight and take off. So you don't have enough miles to proceed with award flight booking. You need at least 7,000 miles to book an award flight. So earn more miles with our many partner offers. So if you have enough awards, if you have enough miles, then you should be able to book flights. But now you really can't because there's no option for you to do that because you don't have miles, or I don't have miles. So if you do, then you should. So explore partner offers for you to see how you can get more miles. So if you scroll all the way down, you see offers from our airline partners available at any time. So you can choose any of these options. You have Air Canada, you have Croatia Airlines, you have, so let's say Air Canada. So use award miles for upgrades with Air Canada. So here is go. You can book via your local miles and more team. Wish you a pleasant journey. And you have, here's how it works. Click on the to help and connect to view the contact details. Call your local miles and more services and have your reservation number ready. So if you want to book a flight here, go ahead and use them to help and contact. And that's pretty much it. You'll be able to book this using your mouse. So you can use that for hotels, and you can also do the same thing for rental cars. This is how you can use your mouse on Lufthansa. And I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.